Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about using our senses to add details to our writing. This is called imagery. It creates a picture in your mind. It helps you to visualize something. If you're visualizing something, think of vision, or in Spanish, visión. When you have the vision or you can visualize something and you get that picture or that movie in your mind. So we're going to be using all of our senses in order to help people to have that picture or that movie. So that means we're going to be looking at what we can see, what we can hear, what we smell, what we can feel, and even what we can taste if that applies. So I'm going to think of something that I enjoy eating. I like to eat banana bread. So I'm going to think about what it looks like first. So if I'm talking about what it looks like, it's going to be light brown, and it's also going to be a rectangular, because that's what I cook it in. Now I'm thinking about what it sounds like. Well, it doesn't really make much of a noise. If I have it in my oven, though, and my oven is cooling off, si lo tengo en el horno y el horno está como enfriando, sometimes it makes a humming sound. So I'm going to put humming there because it might make that noise sometimes. Okay. So I thought about what it looked like, como se ve. I thought about what it sounds like, el sonido. The smell. It might smell sweet. I think I'm going to just use sweet for the smell. Notice I didn't say good. Good is a boring word. Es una palabra aburrida que no ayuda. It doesn't really help us to know what it smells like or looks like. How's it feel? Well, it's soft. It's also crumbly, because if I try to hold it, especially if it's hot, it might fall apart very easily. Now finally we're going to think about the taste. So how does it taste? I could say it tastes delicious. I could also say that I think I'm going to keep it as delicious. So that's how it would taste. Entonces, solamente eso para el sabor es delicioso. So take a look at all of my words here. I was able to tell you a lot about my banana bread using all of those adjectives. Now I'm going to describe something different. If I go to my next page here, good writers use words to visualize, right? Using all our senses. This time I'm going to be describing a national park, and I'm going to talk about Yellowstone National Park. Es una parque nacional en los Estados Unidos. So I could say it's a good place, but that's, again, a boring word. Maybe it's an interesting place. Maybe it's an unusual place. So I have some pictures, courtesy of this website from National Geographic at the bottom from that video. And I could say that these animals, the buffalo, have hard, pointy ears. How it feels. How about this mud? Oh, it feels kind of slimy, right? This water, sizzling hot water. And again, that would be feel and how it sounds, the sizzling part. This geyser here, I could say it's high-reaching. That's what it looks like. And what about these buffalo over here? I can hear those feet pounding as they're moving. So again, that focuses on sound. Each time I use those adjectives or describing words, they help me to visualize or to get that movie in my mind of what's happening. Eso es cuando uso los adjetivos para describir lo que está pasando usando todos mis sentidos. Me ayuda a visualizar lo que está pasando.